Globalization create a new world where no border exists. But in recent time, we have seen how the world has suffered related to globalization because of the Russia-Ukraine crisis and the tension between USA and China, and also after the COVID-19 pandemic. Hello and good morning, everyone. Today, my lecture topic is globalization. Friends, globalization can be defined as it is a process of integration and interaction among the people, the organization, and the different nations. And this process is driven by the international trade and helped by the information technology. Friends, if I talk about the particularly India, then we were great business with the Middle East countries and China in the Vedic period, in IVC, Indian Indus Valley civilization, as well as in Mauryan, Buddhism, Jainism. Every time we had a good business with them, and we were connected with the Silk Route. But after the independence, India was a closed economy, and we had faced a great crisis in 1990, a financial crisis, and that time the finance minister Dr. Manmohan Singh introduced LPG reforms, and that was liberalization, privatization, globalization. And after coming the LPG, we had increased our economy from the 266 billion US dollar to 3.4 trillion US dollar. Friends, so if I talk about the factors that help the globalization, then first is information technology. Today, there is no gap between the communication. We can interact with anyone and we can do business with any people around the world. Second is transportation. After coming the air bus service, the air service, good inland water service, as well as the highway, the transportation has increased, the business has increased. Third is rising the multinational companies. After coming of any MNC in India and in particularly any country, the many employment generated and the people get good benefit from that. If I talk about the benefits of globalization for India, then first is the rapid growth in the economy. Today we are fifth largest economy, and we are much better than the United Kingdom in the terms of GDP. Second, the people of India has increased their lifestyles, they have increased their livelihood, and because of the employment, they have also generated much jobs. Friends, some other advantage like the quality of product has increased because any foreign company focus on the quality of product. And after coming of that country in India, they have also work here, and they also have increased the advancement of the technology related to industries. Friends, if I talk about the challenges for the globalization, then first is the conflict between Russia and Ukraine. After the this crisis, the this conflict, the whole world have suffered, and the globalization has impacted. Second is some other threats like terrorism, the pandemic that we have seen in the 2022. The great pandemic comes in almost many countries. You can take example of Pakistan, United States, China, Japan, Taiwan. Everywhere it has shown. Friends, in my conclusion, I want to say there should be a good frame that should be made from the government of India, so MNC companies as local companies can work together and rise their companies, because after the globalization, many local companies cannot compete with the multinational companies. And also there should be pacify between the Russia and Ukraine crisis, so world can again come on the track of the rapid growth, and that's world want. Thank you.